All right, guys, so we're kind of starting something new for today and tomorrow. We're going to be working with this graph, and what this graph is called a coordinate plane. So what this is it's going to be giving you two numbers in a pair, and you're going to have to plot or identify where those plots are or identify where the pair would be. Okay, so let's break this down a little bit. We're going to follow the directions on this page. So right here's a coordinate plane. You'll notice that we have an x-axis, right? X-axis goes left to right. Okay, and your x-axis always is going to be their first number. Then you're going to notice going up and down is our y-axis. Okay, so from top to bottom, that's going to be your y-axis, and that's going to be your second number in an ordered pair. So I'm just going to quickly erase this, and we're going to follow the directions below to fill in some things on our coordinate plane. So let's take a look here. It says label the numbers 1 to 4 on the x-axis, the horizontal number line. We know our x-axis is left to right. That means horizontal. Now, this spot here is not going to be 1. Your corner where it meets is always going to be 0. You should label 0. I actually just did part C. So that's not 1, that's 0. So I'm going to label 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part B says label the numbers on the y-axis, which is the vertical number line, the ones going up and down. We're not going to touch this one because it's 0. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we labeled the x-axis and the y-axis. Part C, which I already did, which was label the origin. Origin is where you always start. It's the starting point. It's where your x and your y-axis intersect. So there's that vocabulary word. When lines intersect, that means they cross. So if I had continued the x-axis to go this way, and I continued the y-axis to go this way, it would cross. So, that's a 0, and they want us to plot that with the letter O. I'm actually going to do that in a different color. So let's see. Let's do blue. So this was 0. I'm going to put a little dot, and I'm going to call that O.